What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Is your night table looking a little boring? Well, I got something interesting for you, and today's video is brought to you guys by Masdio, and this is their Sunrise Amber Lamp. As you guys can see, it is very interesting looking. Like, a lot of people who would see this would be very intrigued by it. As of right now, it has 5 stars on Amazon because it has so many different functions. So, you see a bunch of grooves on this, and you see a bunch of, like, unusual little touch inputs and things. It looks really ridiculous, but it looks so awesome at the same time. Like, the modern vibe is really cool. It has this half sun built into it, and get this is an actual ambient light, and you can use this for a variety of features, whether you're putting this on a coffee table or a desk just to calm you down after work, or you can even use it for something like meditation, because get this, that little weird metal piece in front, you can actually touch it and dim the light exactly the way you want. So you can have it be a night light with the one swoop touch, or you can go ahead and hold your hand down on that little touch sensitive input and it will fade the light down or it will fade the light up, and you can get just the right settings of this soothing light for your meditation. Then there's a random functionality with that other groove directly in front of it. You can use it as a pen holder. You can use it for holding other things as well. I would wish that they made it an iPad holder, but maybe we'll get that in the next variation. But anyhow, it holds your pens, but the really cool thing is what's next to it. So you see a groove, and then behind it you see what looks like a tiny little speaker. Well, this thing you can actually place your phone on top of, and it actually serves as a QI enabled wireless charging device. So basically you simply place your maybe Samsung Galaxy S7 or your S8 or your Galaxy Note or even your iPhone X right on top of here, and it will start charging immediately. How cool is that? It works pretty efficiently, it charges pretty fast in my testing, so it's your average QI enabled wireless charger. But the cool thing is it looks really nice when you put your phone on top of it, so that's all I'm going to say. Now, a lot of people might be worried about the electricity going on here. So it is QI certified, it has overcurrent protection, it has over voltage protection, and it has over temperature protection. So you will be charging it. This is not some cheap device. This is like well built, and it's a genuinely good wireless charging phone charger, since wireless charging seems to be the next big thing. Now, my other favorite feature here is that it can also serve as a phone amplifier or a phone holder. So let's say you have a phone and you want to buy this, but you don't have wireless charging. Well, you could technically go and simply use this as a little amp. So you simply place your phone down, and because iPhones have their little speakers at the bottom, you place it into place, and all of a sudden it can serve as something that does actually make your phone sound louder. I'll show you guys that in just a second. Other than that, if you don't want it to serve as an amplifier, you could just use that as a phone holder, and it actually low-key looks even cooler than placing it on the wireless charger itself. So all in all, it's just gorgeous, and it looks really interesting, and it's something that would pique people's attention due to its just simplicity and its functionality. Now, go ahead and check it out on Amazon below. It does come with a warranty, and all in all, in my testing, the light is super calming. It's a light color of 2700K to 3000, so it's very warm, but it's also white light at the same time. And if you're wondering what type of efficiency this has, you have a 3-watt LED light built in, so the efficiency is around 70 to 75%, and it uses around 5 watts when charging. Short of that, the base is made out of it has like Himalayan rock salt and then amber resin, and of course the base is made out of this beautiful wood. So all in all, I give this a nice solid 9 out of 10. Check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.